I chose to sit at this olive tree to tell you a little story. I'm facing the open space where the dance floor is growing. I'm going to show you just a bit. And this moment, this land feels very alive with something which was dreamt of for a long time. They say the olive tree never dies. Even when it's cut down to the ground, the roots remain alive. And then, quietly and patiently, it's sending up new shoots, finding a way to grow again. And when the branch becomes sick, the tree doesn't cling. It lets go. So the energy can nourish what is strong, what is ready. I heard this story recently and it touched me deeply because I walked this path of letting go, beginning again, trusting life that it will move through me. When I first arrived in Berlin, I stood in front of the Berlin Wall and took a photo. Behind me was a painting dancing to freedom. I didn't know what the future held. I just knew I had to keep moving. Dance became my lifeline, my way to stay connected, to feel, to survive. Years later, I stepped onto Anna Halprin's sacred dance deck in California, and then something was stirred in me. A seed was planted. I remember the thought I had, maybe one day I will build my own dance floor. And I also remember that felt very unrealistic. That dream stayed underground for a long time. And like olive tree, it never died. And now here I am on Corfu Island, under the sun and blue sky, surrounded by beauty and wild nature, ready to bring it to life. The floor will be more than a structure. It will be a space for movement, workshops, individual and couple sessions, rituals and renewal. A place to return to the body, to community, to the land. A space where we remember that we belong to ourselves, to each other, and to something greater. Your support will help build more than a floor. It will grow a living space for creativity, connection, and collective care.